Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I hope you are in good health. I welcome you in video summary. Today we have English class 5th English class, and in which we will do the revision of unit number 16. That is a poem. It is a poem in which the poet has conveyed his imagination. He created a scene through of his imagination. In which he shows that there is a classroom where some letters are at midnight. They started to debate with each other. They started to criticize with each other. So some letters praise themselves, some letters object, some got angry, and some were requesting in it. So let's move toward our exercise on page number 80. That is exercise A about question answers. Okay, dear student, in our exercise we have question number 1, that is what happened in the middle of the night. As dear student, we have discussed that in the middle of the night, some letters started to debate with each other. They started to discussion about each other. They started gossips with each other, or they started criticizing each other. So there are different ways in which you can say that what was happening in the middle of the night. In the poem, which letter is most interesting and why? In this question, in this poem, there were two letters which were more interesting than other one. Number one was C letter. When he heard that letter A and B criticized him, so it became angry and it started praising itself. He said that it is in this shape because to help the letter cow, the word cow and cat and cap and cool. So the second letter which is interesting in this, that is letter V. It praises itself. It says that he is special, he is unique because it has it comes in Roman counting. It comes in Roman counting and as number 5, and it is also younger than W. W is twice of his age. After this we have question number 3. Find two angry words. These were H and C. Two sleepy letters. These were X and Y. And two curvy letters. These were C and G. Tick 3 words that describe the poem. So here we have complicated, thoughtful and delightful. After this we have next question, that is in your opinion what kind of person is the poem. In my opinion, I think the poet is a creative, deep thinker. He is an imaginative and he is a comic poet. So you can select anyone which you want to be right for that. After this we have another exercise, that is alphabet quiz. Here A to Z letters are given to you and you have to write the answer according to your question. Number 1 we have, that is how many letters are between G and V. So these are 14 letters. How many letters have in a curve? There are 11 letters which have a curve, means they have circle shape, like C, G, J, Q. Okay, after this we have write your name and how many vowels in your names. So it up to your name. Fine, write the name and search how many letters you have. If if letter A comes 2 times, it will be considered as a 1, because here the main thing is letter, that is A. It is not how many times letters are used. After this we have question number 4, that is what is the letter between the 10th and the 12th, that is K. How many vowels come between the 5th and the 20th consonant, that is 3 letters. Spike Milligan wrote the poem. Use the second vowel in Spike and the 5th consonant in Milligan to make a word, that will be P-E-N, pen. Okay, after this we are moving toward our next exercise, that is very easy exercise about singular and the plural. There student, we are familiar with making plural by putting S or ES with singulars. Singular mean one and plural mean more than one. Then there is a simple noun, then we will write simple as to make it plural, and if there is a word that ends with CH, SH, S, Z and X, then we will write ES to make them plural. Okay, now there is a table given some words, we have some words given, that is fox, glass, bus, tax, crash, which, fox, fax, watch, lash and box. and we have to make them plural, and then we will implement them in the sentences according to the suitable places. Number 1 is I catch 2 buses to get home in the evening. The clumsy waiter dropped 2 glasses on the floor. I can't tell you the time because I lost both my watches. Next one is there have been a lot of bad crashes, mean accidents on the dangerous road. I saw 2 foxes in my garden late last night. Another sentence is the secretary sent some faxes yesterday morning. My eyelashes protect my eyes from dust. We pay our taxes to the government. We got lots of boxes from the shop when we were moving. So these were the suitable plurals which we placed there in their proper places. After this, there is another exercise related to the plural. If a noun that ends with F or EF, we will drop letter F or EF and we will replace here VES. We will add these letters to make them plural. Here example is given to you on a screen, that is ELF, elf, and it will be changed into ELVES, elf. WIFE, wife. WIVES, wife. FE is dropped from here, skipped from here, and we have put VES here. So the words are, number 1 is life. It will be changed into LIVES, lives. Knife, KNIVES, knife. KNIVES, knives. WIVES, wives. LOAVES, loaves, that is called bread. Leaf, LEAVES, leaves. Shelves, SHELVES, shells. THIEVES, thieves. CALVES, calf, baby cows. HALVES, halves. After this, we have another exercise having F at the end or F at the end, but that will be not dropped. This F will be not dropped here. We will simple put S. It has these are the special words here. Number 1 is chef. Chef mean cooks, CHEFS, chefs. CUFFS, cuffs, having shirts. Then is chief mean proctor or leader, SHIEFES, chiefs. Chiefs. Then is PUFFS, puffs. ROOFS, roofs. CLIFFS, cliffs, like small mountains. After this, we have page number 82. There is another exercise. Exercise A, comprehension. Choose action from the list to match the words in the table. Okay, you have given 10 words. These are the action and you have to write them with their proper nouns. Number 1 is game. So game, definitely it is play. We play game. Race, definitely we run in race. Banana, so we peel the banana. Rope, so we skip the rope. Sand castle, we build sand castle. Potatoes, we mash potatoes. Homework, we complete the homework. Needle, we use thread to use the needle. Then is window, we close the window. And money, we earn money. After this, we have another exercise. Name each group. There is a list of words given to us. We have to think about them, that which group they belongs. Number 1 is done to us, that is dog, giraffe, bear, goat, cow. These all are mammals. Then we have number 2, Humpty Dumpty, Jack and Jill, Little Bo Peep, Hawkery Dockery, Baba Black Sheep. These all are the names of the poems. After this, we have yellow, green, blue, brown, white. These all are the colors. After this, we have car, bus, boat, plane, bicycle. These are the different types of transport here: land, water, and air. All the types of transport is used. So we are going to suppose to write only the word transport for them. We can't use the word vehicle for them because vehicle only moves on the road. Then is secretary, solicitor, builder, electrician, beautician. These are the names of different professionals. Okay, then we have large, small, very large, medium, and very small. These are the sizes. Okay, after this we have another exercise, that is exercise C. We have to tell that how many syllable we have, and we will pronounce the word. It will be clear to us that how much syllable it contains. Number 1 is midnight. Midnight, having 2 syllable. Suddenly, 3 syllable. Heard, 1 syllable. Perplexed, Perplexed having 2 syllable. Stand 1 syllable. Uncompleted 4 syllable. Stunned 1 syllable. Dropping 2 syllable. Spell 1 syllable. Alphabet 3 syllable. Roman 2 syllable. Circular 3 syllable. After this we have another exercise that is about, there is a word that is extra here. We don't need this extra word here, so we will cross or drop that word. So you can see in your screen, I am also sharing and reading for you. Number 1 is I know the alphabets by the heart. By with heart. Second, there are 5 vowels in the alphabet. Then we have we are learning joint writing in school. Next one is I was very thirsty after the match. I wrote a poem about my pet hamster. I got my hair cut this afternoon. I yawned sleepily after the meeting. She lit the fire because it was cold. There is a song about the alphabet. He spilled grease all over the floor. After this we have next exercise, that is we have to use these letter of alphabets and we will make 20 words from them. These are shown to you. You also have done this in your class, in face-to-face class. So you all have your own words. After this we have last page, that is checkup page. Here we have two exercise A, that is about fill in the blanks. 10 words are given to us. We have to complete them according to the sentence. The alphabet is made up of vowel and consonants. It is made of vowels and consonant. Combination of vowels and consonant make a words. After this there is letters are combined to make words. When we combine the letters, different letters, then we make a word. Okay. After this we have young children learn to read and write. Sometimes words can be difficult. You can get the meanings of words in the dictionary. So exercise 1 is done for you. Here we have second exercise, that is related to the statements that either they are true or false. Number 1 we have, that is the classroom was quiet at night, that is cross. They were having a debate. They were criticizing. The letter were having a dispute, correct. They were having a dispute. They were having criticism. They were having conflict. A told B that C was rude, cross. C was not rude. They said that C is incomplete. Then another is, that is cross. Number 4 is G roared because he was dropped. No, G did not roar because H roared. The letter G dropped the letter H in hip hip hurrah. So it is cross here. Another is X and Y were wide asleep. Wide awake means they were mentally present, means that is cross. They were sleepy. They were yawning. After this we have next statements. Number 6 is C, G and O are circular letters. That is correct. They have the round shape, so they are circular shapes. A, E, I, O, U are consonants. That is true. That is cross. These are vowels. There are 26 letters in alphabet. That is true. Perplexed mean annoyed. That is cross. Vexed mean cross. That is true. Vexed mean cross. Vexed mean annoyed. Vexed mean angry. But perplexed mean puzzle and confused, so that is cross over there. Okay, number 9 is cross and 10th one is true here. After this we have another exercise related to the grammar, very easy exercise, that is singular and the plural. Boy will be changed into boys, B-O-Y as boys. Church will be changed into churches, C-H-U-R-C-H-E-S, churches. B-U-S-S-E-S, buses, H-A-L-V-E-S, halves, R-O-O-F-S, roofs. T-A-X-E-S, taxes. L-I-V-E-S, lives. W-A-T-C-H-E-S, watches. C-H-E-F-S, chefs. Then is C-R-A-S-H, crash. Okay dear student, after this we have another exercise, that is 10 errors or 10 mistakes are done here in the passage. So we have to find them. Number 1 here is in sentence number 1, that is in spelling of interesting, I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-I-N-G, interesting. After the second mistake is nearly, N-E-A-R-L-Y, nearly. Same line here, the word years is used as apostrophe s, but it is cross. We will use it in plural, Y-E-A-R as years. nearest, nearest, and at the end of the same first sentence, that is ligit, light. Okay, after this we have in second sentence we have just one mistake, that is in the center we have to use a full stop here, because after this there is another sentence starting and having a capital letter there. After this we have third line, there we have the word water, W capital, it will be it must be small, so we will write small w. After this there is a full stop, so definitely H of U will be capital. Then there will be SO and sun will be cross, and SU and sun will be used here. After this, at the end of the sentences passage, there is a word CLT, called, that is incorrect. Here we will use CLLED, called. These exercises are done. I hope you all understood these exercises, and now we are moving second part of the grammar, which we have, first one we have done in our first class, so second one is present continuous tense. There we need to learn only the formula, the structure. If we are able to know if we know the formula, we know the structure, we are able to construct the sentences. For structure of positive sentences, first of all we are supposed to write the subject. In subject, if we have he, she and it, we will use only is as a helping verb here. Then we are supposed to write four form of verb, that is ing wale words, that are watering, and then we will use an object and then full stop. If we have I in the sentence as a subject at the start, then we will use am, a helping verb, after I, and then there will be any four form of verb, and according to the that verb you will use your object and then full stop will be there. After this we have we, they, you, and names. That can be two names, it can be any name like Sarah and Zara, Hifza and Jasmine. So here you will use are, then you will use four form of verb, any verb with ing, then according to your verb you will apply an object, suitable object, and then you will put a full stop here. It is the structure of positive sentences. Then we have negative sentences. Negative sentences we must use not in our sentences. So structure will be subject, he, she, and it, and name. For them we will use is not, then any four form of verb, then a suitable object, and then full stop. If we have I, then we will apply am not, I am not, then there will be a suitable verb, four form, and then there will be an object. After this we have we, they, and you, plural subjects. There we will write are not, we are not, they are not, you are not, then there will be a suitable verb with along with an object, and at the end there will be a full stop. It is the structure of negative sentences. Now at the end we have interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. There we have to use the same that things, but here some things have replaces in each other. Number one, we are supposed to write helping verb at the start with first letter capital. Is he, is she, is it, is name, any name, then four form of verb, then an object, and at the end must put a question mark. After this we have, if we have I, then we will use am. A of am will be capital, and then we are supposed to write subject, but here I will be capital. Whenever I comes alone, it will be capital. Either it is in the start of the sentence, it is in the center of the sentence, or it is at the end of the sentence. I will be capital here. And then a suitable noun, verb, four form of verb plus an object, and at the end question mark will be there. Then if the plural subjects are in plural like we, they, and you, we are supposed to write a, r, e, r, starting letter capital, helping verb will be capital at the start, then there will be a subject, a four form of verb, any four form of verb, and according to your four form of verb you will write an object, and then you will must put a question mark. I hope you understood all the exercises and all these sentences. I wish you best of luck. Allah Hafiz.